Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. And today we have a 2010 Mazda 2. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand side. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 to the 9th month 2014. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol, backed by a front-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. It has a tidy front bumper cover, tidy left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left rear tail light. We have the tailgate, appears to have no damage, and a tidy rear bumper cover. We have the right hand tail light in tidy condition. Right hand rear 15-inch factory steel wheel with hubcap. Right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door, one dent in tidy condition. Right hand front door, small dent in front of door handle. Right hand front guard in tidy condition. Factory 15-inch factory steel wheel. Right hand front has a good tyre. Tidy right hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. The 2 front seats in tidy condition. That's a tidy center console, handbrake lever, manual transmission console, AC controls, has a 6-stack MP3 CD player. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor. Tiny center console. Has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. We have the power window master switch.